Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this tutorial you will learn how you can unlink connected apps from your SoloLearn application or user account in 2026. So let us begin. So navigate to the SoloLearn application on your Android, for example, on your mobile phone. Log into your account and tap into these three lines in the top left and access your account settings by tapping into settings here. Now you can check all your connected applications like Google or any other like social media, Facebook, Instagram, under connected accounts here. Tap into it. For example, as you can see, I connected my SoloLearn account with Google. You can add other accounts like LinkedIn, for instance, by tapping into add here. You will see the status below. And to disconnect it or to unlink it, for example, let me do that with Google, tap into disconnect. That's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.